Welcome back. So today I'm replacing the gearbox mount for the dog bone here, and I'm replacing the dog bone to a poly bush one because my one snapped, as you can see. So what you're gonna do is two 16s here, 1, 2, and then a 16 at the back in that hole there, and then undo a 16 on this side and a 17mm bolt on that side. Let's see, there you go. And then once that's undone, your dog bone should come out. So I will show you mine. Mine completely snapped in half basically. So they went there, and it bolted up like that towards the gearbox, and then this bolt went into the back where the dog bone is. And then once you've undone that one, those, and then that 17mm bolt and the 16mm nut on the other side, on that side there, 16 on that side, 17 on that side. Once you've undone that, the whole dog bone will come out, and I will be back.